What's up, Carlo Gamesters? It's Carlo Games 123 back with another video. Today I'm on Farming Simulator 19 and I'm going to be doing a RP series. I'm going to have mods with this, so it'll be a little more interesting. And it's just going to be RP of a normal real life person. So, if you guys enjoy this, hit the like button. Tell me in the comments if I should do another episode and what that episode should be about. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And let's get into it. Good morning. What do we have to do today? We need to... Oh, we're going to the car dealership. I gotta get a, new car. So let's get there. Pulling up now. Wonder what they have for us to buy today. Let's check it out. We'll park over here in the oh, they have some vans. They have a Mustang, Continental, Chevy, a Ford truck, some weird trucks, but those are kind of cool. We have just normal lizard truck, and then we have the miscellaneous. Ooh, dope. Okay, I'm gonna look around a little bit more and I'll figure out what I want. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the Ford. Just all around pretty cool truck. It's not too big and it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna go inside and go do the paperwork. Okay, they said they're gonna pull it around. I got it in midnight purple. And there it is. What do you guys think of the color? I really like it. Well, let's take it home. We'll come back later and get our old truck. First I had to stop and get some gas. Cause, you know. Alright, we're all filled up and ready to go home. Let's get on the road. We got a little bit of a drive to get home. About an hour and a half. Ugh, finally home. That was such a long drive. Well, I gotta drive there again tomorrow. But I'm gonna have dinner and then I'll just relax and go to sleep. Alright guys, that's the end of the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was really short, but I'm gonna continue to make some episodes. They're gonna get longer and longer. I just need more stuff to do. Definitely post down a comment. Hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that bell to never miss one of my uploads, and I'll see you guys.
I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the same. Got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the